thinking about studying in the UK? Here are 3 big reasons why it might be the perfect choice for you. Today, I'll break down the top 3 reasons people choose to study in the UK. From great career opportunities to flexible study options, you'll see why studying in the UK could be an awesome move. Quick intro before we get started. I'm Mihai, husband, father and founder of Enrollmate. We've helped loads of students find the best path for them in the UK, especially if they're juggling things like work, family or commuting. Choosing where to study is a big decision, but it doesn't have to be stressful. We are here to make it easier, so if you ever want extra help, feel free to reach out. Now, let's dive into why the UK could be a great place for your studies. The UK is known for high quality education that's respected around the world. Universities here are set up to give you not just theory but real life skills too. Whether you are looking at top names like Oxford or choosing a university that fits your specific interest, you are getting great education. And the variety of courses is huge. You can find programs in everything from psychology and business to art, science and tech. The UK's focus is often on combining practical skills with what you learn in class. For example, if you're studying business, many courses offer projects that give you hands-on experience with real companies. Or if you are in psychology, some programs let you take part in research or lab work. So if you're interested in a specific field or want a flexible degree that's respected everywhere around the world, the UK has a lot to offer. Now that we know the UK's got great courses, let's talk about flexible study options, something that can make a university life way easier. The UK makes it easy to balance university with the rest of your life. Many universities here offer flexible options like part-time and blended learning, which means you don't have to be on campus every day. This setup lets you manage your studies while still having time for work, family or other things you care about. Let's take blended learning for example. It's super popular in the UK. You do part of your classes online and go to campus only once or twice a week. It's a great choice if you need some structure but also want freedom to study on your own schedule. And if you are a mature student, this flexibility means you can fit university around your existing commitments without the stress of a rigid timetable. Having options that let you balance life with studying make university feel way more manageable and enjoyable. Alright, last up, let's talk about career opportunities and how a UK degree can boost your job prospects. A degree from the UK can really stand out on your CV because it's respected by employers worldwide. UK universities are set up to give you the skills that today's job market wants, so having a degree from here can give you a boost whether you stay in the UK or go elsewhere. A lot of UK universities have links with industries, meaning you get chances for internships, career fairs and networking. For example, if you are in business, you might get to connect with real companies during your studies. Or in tech fields, some universities let you work on projects with local businesses, which looks great on a resume and helps you learn what your future job might look like. Overall, studying in the UK isn't just about getting a degree, it's about setting yourself up for a career. Whether you want to start fresh in a new field or move up in your current one, the UK's strong reputation can help open doors. So there you have it. 3 solid reasons why you should study in the UK. High quality education, flexible options, and strong career support. If you're looking for a place that's serious about education but also work with your lifestyle, the UK could be a fantastic fit. And if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more advice on finding the right study options. And if you would like more guidance to make your decision easier, feel free to reach out to us at Enrollment. We're here to help you find the perfect path. Thanks for watching and good luck with your journey.